Welcome to the deep dive. This is where we take information you send us, maybe just a small piece, and we really unpack it.
Yeah, we try to find those key insights, the things that might make you go, aha.
Exactly. So today, our mission is centered on this excerpt about Amazon Kids plus F. Sounds specific, right?
It does, but we're aiming to show how it's actually a gateway. It hints at this incredibly vast network of services that Amazon offers.
It's like using this one page, this list of links, really, as a map.
A map to explore, well, just how wide Amazon's reach is into commerce, tech, all sorts of services you wouldn't maybe connect immediately with, a kids section.
It's almost funny how simple it looks at first glance. You wouldn't think it'd lead us to talking about, I don't know, healthcare or high fashion. Okay, so let's start right at the top. The usual navigation stuff is there.
Right. Move between items, update your location.
Sign in, account and lists, returns and orders, the cart, and then this Amazon haul.
Amazon haul. That does sound a bit different, doesn't it?
Yeah, it sort of suggests bigger purchases, maybe bulk buying almost.
Could be. It hints at the scale, maybe the infrastructure needed to handle, well, lots of stuff.
Okay, but let's get into these lists of categories because this is where you really start to see the scope.
Absolutely. Right there at the top, these really broad ones. Medical care, Saks, bestsellers, Amazon Basics.
New releases, music, registry, today's deals, smart home, gift cards.
Wow. Groceries, Prime, customer service, books, pharmacy, Amazon Home.
Luxury stores, fashion, toys and games. Okay, that fits the original theme, but then sell, gift shop, beauty and personal care.
Home improvement, automotive, computers, sports and outdoors, video games, pet supplies. It's a lot.
It really is like a cross-section of, well, modern shopping. And seeing medical care listed so close to toys and games.
It really drives home the range, doesn't it? The sheer variety of needs Amazon's trying to meet.
And you mentioned sell. That's key too, isn't it? It's not just for us buying.
Exactly. It's a platform, a marketplace.
Okay, let's move down to the get to know us section. This shifts the focus a bit.
Yeah, this shows the corporate side, the organization behind it all. You've got
Yeah.
careers,
Amazon newsletter
I haven't-
about Amazon, accessibility, sustainability.
press center, investor relations, Amazon devices, Amazon science.
Let's just pause on that. Careers suggests a huge number of employees, right?
Massive,
Yeah.
globally. And investor relations points to, being a major public company.
And Amazon Science. That hints at R&D, innovation.
Definitely. This is way beyond just selling things online. It's a tech company, a logistics company.
A media company in some ways. Which leads nicely into the next bit. Make money with us.
Right. And this really broadens the picture of how Amazon works. It's not just about buying from them.
It's about participating with them. Look at these options. Sell on Amazon.
Sell apps on Amazon, supply to Amazon, protect and build your brand.
Become an affiliate. Become a delivery driver. Start a package delivery business.
Advertise your products. Self-publish with us. Become an Amazon Hub partner.
And then just see more ways to make money. It's incredible, the variety.
It really is. They've built this platform where, individuals or businesses can plug in so many different ways.
You can be a seller, a developer, a supplier, a marketer, a delivery person, even an author.
It's like this huge economic engine they've created, which naturally needs a financial system to run it.
Which brings us to Amazon payment products.
Exactly. The grease in the wheels, so to speak. You see the Amazon Visa, the store card,
Amazon secured card, Amazon business card, shop with points.
credit card marketplace, reload your balance, gift cards, Amazon currency converter.
So financial services are just woven right into the fabric of the whole thing.
Absolutely. It makes transactions smoother, obviously, which encourages more activity, both buying and selling, reduces the friction.
Makes sense. Okay, what about helping the user, the let us help you section?
Right. Crucial for something this big and complex. You need good support.
So we've got your account, your orders, shipping rates and policies.
Amazon Prime details, returns and replacements, manage your content and devices.
Recalls and product safety alerts, that's important, registry and gift list, and just plain help.
It shows a commitment to customer service, or at least providing the tools for users to manage their stuff and solve problems.
Yeah, the number of self-service options alone tells you something about the scale of the user base.
Definitely. Okay, now let's shift gears slightly and look at those visual logos at the bottom, the little icons with descriptions.
Ah, yeah, these give quick hits on even more specific services.
And actually, this is a good point to mention for you listening. If any of these services we're talking about or the ones coming up sound interesting, maybe something you want to explore or get more info on,
Yeah.
we've put a registration link right there in the description for this deep dive, so you can check that out easily.
Okay, good tip. So, these logos. First up, Amazon Music. Stream millions of songs. Standard enough.
Then Amazon Ads. Reach customers wherever they spend their time. That's the business side again.
6 p.m. Score deals on fashion brands. A-books. Books, art, and collectibles. Getting niche now.
Very. ACX, audiobook publishing made easy. For creators. And then sell on Amazon again. Start a selling account. Reinforcing that.
Vico. Shipping software inventory management. That sounds very business to business.
Totally. And Amazon Business. Everything for your business. Confirms the B2B focus.
Then back to consumers with Amazon Fresh. Groceries and more right to your door.
Amazon Global. Ship orders internationally. Expanding that reach.
Home services. Experienced pros happiness guarantee. Moving into services like plumbing or assembly.
And the big one, Amazon Web Services. Scalable cloud computing services, AWS.
The engine behind so much of the internet, not just Amazon.
Exactly. Then Audible. Listen to books and original audio performances.
Box Office Mojo. Find movie box office data for film buffs.
Goodreads. Book reviews and recommendations. Social network for readers.
IMDb. Movies, TV, and celebrities. Everyone knows that one.
And IMDb Pro. Get info entertainment professionals need. The industry version. Shows their depth in entertainment.
Kindle Direct Publishing. Indie, digital, and print publishing made easy. Empowering authors again.
Amazon Photos. Unlimited photo storage free with Prime. A nice Prime perk.
Prime Video Direct. Video distribution made easy. Another creator tool.
A Shopbop. Designer fashion brands. High-end fashion focus.
Amazon Resale. Great deals on quality used products. The secondhand market.
Whole Foods Market. America's healthiest grocery store. Their brick-and-mortar grocery presence.
Woot! Deals and Shenanigans. The daily deal site.
Zappos. Shoes and clothing. Another major acquisition.
Then the smart home stuff. Ring. Smart home security systems.
Aero Wi-Fi. Stream 4K video in every room.
Blink. Smart security for every home.
Neighbors app. Real-time crime and safety alerts. Community safety focus.
Amazon subscription boxes. Top subscription boxes right to your door. Convenience factor.
PillPack. Pharmacy simplified. Back to healthcare.
And Amazon Renewed. Like new products you can trust. Refurbished goods.
Wow. That's a lot of ground covered from one page.
It really is. And just one more reminder, if any of that caught your ear and you want to dig deeper or maybe sign up for something, the registration link is right there in the description.
And then right at the very bottom, you have the essential fine print.
Conditions of use, privacy notice.
Consumer health data privacy disclosure, your ads privacy choices, and the copyright notice. Standard stuff, but vital for trust and compliance.
So wrapping this up, it's pretty clear this Amazon Kids Plus page was just, well, the tip of the iceberg.
Definitely. It opened a door onto this massive interconnected system. It touches almost everything in modern life.
Health, groceries, entertainment, finance, cloud computing.
Selling, delivery, smart homes. It's all linked. It's fascinating how it evolved from just selling books online.
It really is. This network of services, platforms, it's quite something.
It makes you consider how all these pieces work together, how they support each other.
Which leads us perfectly to our final thought for you listening today. Thinking about this huge interconnected web we've just sketched out, what do you see as the main benefits and maybe the potential drawbacks for us as consumers having so many different services all under that one single Amazon umbrella?
That's a great question. Lots to chew on there.
Definitely something to think about. And one last time, if you want to explore any specific services mentioned or sign up for more info, check out that registration link in the description.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.